What's up guys, welcome to a new market update. In today's video we're going to look at what Bitcoin, Ethereum and gold did the past week. Like and subscribe, I really appreciate that, and surely if you enjoy the content, let's get into the video. As always, let's start with Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has been doing pretty good things for the past weeks. We have said it past weeks, not necessarily that it's decision week, but that Bitcoin is doing some great things. If you look to the far hourly, we're clearly in an uptrend since the start of April, which is very good, which is already like more than a month ago. Time flies. If you zoom out on the daily even further, see we've been climbing. We gained the psychological level of the $80,000. That was not really a resistance level, but it's still something people have in mind. And if you look to earlier this week, of course, let's zoom in. So on Sunday, last Sunday, where's last Sunday? Here, right? So here we said, yeah, Bitcoin is doing well. It's just a matter of time before Bitcoin reaches the $80,000. And then on Monday already they did show a slight reaction here. So maybe there was some doubt, but after that, and also on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and they made a new high on Wednesday of $82,000, almost to this resistance level. Then they showed a pullback, which is completely normal. We've seen this here before, pullback, so nothing to worry about. And even they showed a reaction, so surely nothing to worry about. If they like did this, then of course you have to think about what is this, what is price doing, what levels are they searching for. But now it's looking pretty well. Surely a local long opportunity here, bigger level here which they can still sweep on the Monday. Wouldn't be worried if they go for this level, the $78,000, but then they do have to show a reaction. And if they do show a reaction, it's just keep on pumping. This level is next, $83,000, and then the next level is almost $87,000, which is still far away. Even though we're in an uptrend 7%, Bitcoin can do that in a week, even in a day, but don't expect that to happen. Of course, what I mentioned before, we have a sharp dump here, and then most of the times we see some sharp bumps. I'm not saying that because we have like two straight candles here, then while we're here we have just two straight candles up. It's not like that, it's not like that easy. But still, there's not many great levels here because the price just fell through. So that means that price can easily, or just it's more easy than when there are levels, to make new highs and follow the uptrend. It's looking very well for Bitcoin. Don't really have that much to say. It's looking very well. The past week did exactly what we said that Bitcoin would do and what we hoped for, so that's positive. I also posted a video on Thursday this week about more the entire picture, the global picture. Is Bitcoin in an uptrend? Are we in a bear trend? Uptrend, bull run, bear run, cycles, what's happening? So make sure to check that video. I'm pretty proud of that video. I think I made some solid points, so make sure to check that on the channel. But yeah, Bitcoin on the local picture is looking very well. Even on the bigger picture it's looking well because we've been gaining, we've been showing strength, and it's looking well. And Ethereum is almost the same thing. Ethereum, as I also mentioned last week, is a bit, Bitcoin is gaining and then Ethereum I'll follow, but let me do it on a lower pace. They did not make a new high this week, which is not necessarily worrying, but would have preferred Ethereum to be here, and then they could have pulled back to somewhere here, but now they pulled back to the 2,270. And Ethereum, they've been looking for that 2,500, also a bit of a psychological mark, but since almost 2 months now, and it's not like there's time pressure. Of course the market is doing what the market is doing, but yeah, this ranging, there are nice trading opportunities, but for the investors, the global picture, we're not seeing that much for the past month. So yeah, surely if Bitcoin keeps on pumping, you would expect Ethereum to follow, and that will mean Ethereum to the 2,500 soon. But for now Ethereum is just doing alright. Trading opportunities are surely there. These two boxes, short or long, of course not necessarily on the dot, not on the hit, maybe with confirmation, etc. A lot of trading levels, so Ethereum surely something to watch, and hopefully you can catch the bigger outbreak. Surely if we go back here and you catch a long, maybe then finally Ethereum starts waking up, then you have a nice runner. So surely keep an eye on Ethereum, can be very nice to trade next week. And I still think it will follow Bitcoin. Surely if Bitcoin just ranges or does well, Ethereum will not dump. But if Bitcoin starts ranging or has a worse week, then maybe Ethereum can show a bigger dump, which is not nice of course, but a lot of trading opportunities. So make sure to join the server as well, daily updates, daily setups, etc. So make sure to join and stay up to date. But that's it for Ethereum as well. I don't really have that much to say because it's just a continuation of the past weeks. Only on Ethereum, as mentioned, the ranging hasn't stopped yet, though they did show some upwards potential like Bitcoin did, but then the follow-up was not necessarily as good as Bitcoin. Gold Gold has had a pretty okay week. We mentioned that gold was in a downtrend, going down, and there was not necessarily a reason for that because crypto has been going up. It's not like there are major things going on in the world, so it was a bit of a question mark, like where does this selling pressure come from? But they did make a low on the Monday and then started upwards a move of 5% in a week on gold. That's pretty good. Surely this pump on the Tuesday/Wednesday, don't know where that came from, but very positive. Gold also a lot of trading opportunities, and gold price action has been pretty decent from a trader perspective. Maybe if you're an investor or you think, yeah, what is this? But it's pretty decent. So surely also trading opportunities here. Oh, I would say though it's not like that connected as Bitcoin Ethereum, but if crypto will pump, I think gold will follow. It's actually the other way around maybe. But if gold has a great week, Bitcoin and Ethereum will probably do well as well. But that's not the case always, of course, because you saw dump while Bitcoin was pumping. But I expect for now that next week they will kind of move alike. But that's of course not like financial advice. You shouldn't just long now. But yeah, gold also looking well. A lot of levels as always on gold. We're still not recovered from this big crash, which is not necessarily bad. But of course, if you want to see new highs on gold and a bullish period for gold, we still have a long way to go. At least like 7 to 10% until we're fully back. I mean, we don't have to be fully back, but for us to say gold is back in that crazy uptrend, I believe we will never see an uptrend like this again. This is a once in a lifetime thing. If you don't think this is crazy or don't like acknowledge this was crazy and like a one-time thing, then maybe this world is not for you, or you have to educate yourself. But maybe we can still go back on a nice run on the local picture, but it's not like that magic run that long gold, tomorrow long gold, tomorrow long gold, because it's all going up. I don't think that we'll see anything like that anywhere soon, because of course gold has been going up, market get bigger, more money, and so for that move to happen again is way more money needed for that. But a gold summary, bit of the same as Bitcoin Ethereum. Last week's price action was okay, nothing to worry about. More upwards potential next week surely, and I think there will be some nice long opportunities next week, or short opportunities, depends on what price does next week. For now, I want to thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this market update. As mentioned, surely check out the other video about bull run, bear and crypto cycles, very helpful for the bigger picture, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.